All glory to the Most High God of Israel. This is what they don't teach you about the Old Testament.
You were told the law was a burden, but Psalm says the law is perfect.
You were never taught the covenant because they broke it and buried the truth. Not one prophet ever said his name, and yet you worship him?
If Jesus was in the Old Testament, show me his explicit name today. What chapter, book, and verse? I'll wait.
If this was the truth, why didn't Moses preach it? Why didn't Isaiah? Why didn't Ezekiel? The silence says everything.
God said, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one."
He said the prophets would speak in his name, so where is it? Where is the name they all used?
They'll give you 1,000 titles, but never the name the prophets used. Ask yourself why.
If it's not written in the Torah, why are you following it?
If you're calling on Jesus, come out of idolatry quick. The Most High said he will not give his glory to another.
If it's not in the Torah, then who authorized it?
They gave you statues, symbols, and Sunday rituals, but none of it came from Moses.
Our people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Get out of idolatry. David is king, not some man-god Rome made up.
It's time to come back to the covenant, not the counterfeit.